So this is the Batman wall clock slash light that I've made for somebody. Cut it out of hardboard and then used the base with a resin from Becky. This was Glass Cast 3, really great. Mixed it with some silver mica powder and some UV powder so that it would actually glow in the day or night using the light or the daylight itself. This is a test run for the backlight clock. So at the minute the lights run obviously, so Alexa, turn off Christmas. Let's see if it glows. Oh, that'll do lovely. Finished product. I'm very happy with it. So what we've got is again from Becky from Glasscast. Give me Glasscast free for this one, which is that one which I've used for the base with a silver pigment and a UV powder so that the UV light that I've attached glows at night, not charged by daylight that's in the window if they've not got the light on. Running a little behind to get it to him, but he's more than happy to wait, he said. I'm very chuffed with it.